What's goody good, homies and homettes? Happy Mofo Sunday. So I wanted to give y'all a quick update about what your boy got going on and what is all this mess I've been posting, right? So first off, I launched my website, macmotivates.com. So it has always been a dream of mine to make merch, stickers, stuff like that for the car community, kind of showing off my stuff. So one thing that I did was when we got the Subaru, there was a sticker pack that was available. So the kids would go around and pass stickers to the other kids at car shows. So it kind of sparked the idea. It would be cool to have my own merch, especially since I do YouTube and other YouTubers sell merch and stuff like that. So I'm like, well, if I see a bunch of y'all do it, why can't I, right? So the other thing is I launched a website to host my giveaways. And as you've seen, I launched a giveaway, an intercooler giveaway for Subarus. I'll get on that in a second. But I just wanted to make the process way easier than going on and doing a payment here, payment there, and then having a list of, and having to update it and all that. It was very time consuming having to do it that way. So the benefit of having a website is when you guys put an order in for your entry, then everything's already right there, right? And then I'll do everything live. It's just like any other of my giveaways. It's just a way better setting to get things done. And all like all my other giveaways, first place is going to get the intercooler set up from Grimspeed. It's not sponsored by them. This is solely on me. And then second place will get $100, and third place will get $50. And you know, a lot of other giveaways don't do a second and third place runner up. And I remember I did my first giveaway, and I did not like the feeling that only one person walked away with something. So second and third, right? So but yeah, man, so the website's up, and it is a small selected group of people. The intercooler setup is good for 15 to 21 STIs. So if you have an STI, please share it with your other friends. That's the one thing about this whole giveaway thing that I got going on. It really is a community thing. And I have to say, thank you so much to y'all that support me. Because just like YouTube, I wouldn't do or be anything without y'all, because y'all watch my content. So just like these giveaways, it's kind of like a Mr. Beast move, if you will. You know, everything that we make here, we're going to pour into another giveaway. So the reason I do giveaways, because people were asking me as well, why are you giving away? One, I'm going front mount, and two, why not? It felt good to receive the Subaru. And if you don't know how I received it, you go to my YouTube channel. It's all on there too, right? But I also like the way that it felt to give to somebody, you know, to give to people, you know, that were supporting me, you know what I mean? So that's kind of the whole thing. And it inspired me when I got my car, basically to make my goal to give somebody a car at some point in my life. A drift car, a drag car, a cool daily, honestly, something right-hand drive. That's what I would want to do, you know? But I'm starting at the bottom here, you know what I mean? And just like any small business, I need your guys' help, you know what I'm saying? I see everybody spend money on this and that and this and that. Support your local guy, you know what I'm saying? Support your small business owner type stuff, for real. And so yeah, and if you can't, I know times are hard right now. It's Christmas season. This economy is crap right now, you know what I'm saying? So I understand that. So at the very least, share it. Especially if you're a Subaru person and you're watching this, share it with another Subaru friend. I know you got an STI friend, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my journey. It has been really cool to start this whole Mac Motivates thing, and you guys have seen me grow. You've seen my progression of my photography and my videography. I actually had somebody today hop on my YouTube and say, oh, your pictures are probably AI generated. I'm like, no. But thank you. Like, I know you were like trying to like throw a jab, but that's actually a really nice compliment, because if you think it's that good that it's AI generated, like that says a lot. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, I appreciate all y'all support. Just share this around. If you haven't gotten into the giveaway, get into it. It's a low amount of entries, man. I'm not gonna be doing them big amounts of entries and stuff like that. The first 5 people who get in right now is $5 off the orders, and then maybe I'll do some specials later on down the road. It's gonna take a while, I feel, because the first couple of days have, you know, been rough. But it is what it is, man. I appreciate every one of y'all. Just support your boy, share around, get entered. You know what I'm saying? And you got to think outside the box. I legit have friends that I know that play giveaways for cars and things that they don't even have already. Like, I have a friend that played like a turbo kit giveaway, doesn't have a turbo car, doesn't want a turbo his car at all, but he spent a small amount of money to basically win that and then turn around and sell it to somebody that does. I'm just saying, think outside the box. You can quick flip, you know what I mean? Like I said, second place, third place. So even if you spend your money, there's a chance you still might make it back plus some more, you know what I mean? Later on though, I'll have merch and shirts and stuff like that coming out. And don't get it twisted. We're gonna do, you know, wheels, turbo kits. We got the K series now, so that, you know, we're trying to get into the Honda scene now, you know what I'm saying? So, and I'm gonna do stuff that's universal, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, wheels, you know. So, man, it's just gonna take time. Got to build up that name, but I know I can do it. I know we can do it for sure. Time's running out, so I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.